Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Friday, June the 6th. And if you have been following Truth Social or Twitter yesterday, you'll know just how bad the relationship has gotten between the two BFFs, DJT, Mr. President Trump, and Elon Musk, world's richest man. It's interesting. They were going at one another like two high school kids fighting in the schoolyard on their social media platforms yesterday. And look at the impact that this has had just during a single day with Tesla. So this graph shows the open here on the left at 9:30, and Tesla shares were bouncing around in a certain range in between, let's call it 310 and 320. And then you'll see the timeline just after noon. Trump starts his tweet, "I'm very disappointed in Elon." That follows a Musk response with, "Without me, Trump would have lost the election." And then such ingratitude from Musk. Later in the day, and now the stock is starting to tumble. The stock continues to tumble, and Trump replies with, "I asked him to leave. He just went crazy." And then that causes the stock to tumble some more. And then Elon replies, "Such an obvious lie, so sad." And the stock continues to plummet throughout the day. So it was an interesting day. If you take a look at the stock in the Yahoo Finance app over the 5-day, you can see the chart here and how it was up around 334 on June 4th at the end of the day, Wednesday, and then it took off and fell, continued to fall, and really plummeted. I mean, these shares were up at 363, call it 360. Earlier in the week, and now down at 284. Now, there is a bit of a recovery trade going on right now. If you take a look at Tesla shares in the pre-market, you can see here they're up about $14, about 4%, but they've dropped about 14%. So this spat between these two little schoolboys is far from over, and we'll have to see where it all ends. But they've definitely driven a wedge between them in their relationship. Good luck in your trades today. If you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.